y'all? It's your boy 345 Hemi Rob coming back at y'all with another upload. This one's gonna start off really quick. We all met up really late at this location, but we are going to a car meet right now. All the homies. I'll introduce everyone once we get there. But for right now, you all are gonna see some footage of us leaving. We'll probably, you know, look at everyone's car. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys right now, and yeah, let's get some of this POV shit going.
Ayo, Babs, this shit crazy.
Yeah, off in it, sipping on bubbly, me popping it. I'm moving safe, like cautiously. You wash your way that you talk to me. My new hoe is a model. She wanna fly out to Cabo. I said, just wait till I drop my album.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow to. I need some space, the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Won't stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posted. My baby gon' shine like a glow stick.
Just getting here. Follow the boy on Instagram, you feel me? Damn, that shit hurts my soul. I know y'all seen that. But yeah, man, we out here. It's pretty hectic on the freeway. I don't know if y'all were even able to see anyone, but yeah, I mean, hopefully we see some dope cars here. My boy chopping over here. Shit, all the homies lips clean, bro. Well, I thought he had someone in there. It's a mask. Damn. Got the goddamn Mark IV up in this hole. Shit. Carpet wet. Oh, these are disgusting. I've never seen something like gold. It's like bronze gold. It's fucking crazy. Got the bride. Sheesh. Manual. Damn, bro. Disgusting. Little 370. Sheesh. Nah, I'm not into classics, man, but this is hard as. This is clean as. I didn't tell y'all, but the theme of this whole meet is like trunk or treat. So it's like dress up your car for Halloween. So that's why you're gonna see all this. You're gonna see some candy. That's cool. I don't know how I feel about that wing. I don't know how I feel about that wing. It looks like your cousin's. A little scatty. Oh, that Nardo. That Nardo's fire. The truck is alright. I'm not too big into trucks. Man, that's cool. What color is this? Yes. Shit, about as good as my guess.
It goes from like a red to like a purple.
Wow. Is it a wrap?
It's Plastidip.
Plastidip, wow. That is crazy. I know. It's like navy blue. Yo, I know these GoPros ain't that good in the dark. This food. Oh my god.
Hey, I'm a little kid.
Where's your basket at, food? Where's your basket at? Ooh. Gray ass. Damn. Look at the underglow. The underglow? That's hard. That is so hard. Yo, this is the nastiest car I've seen here so far. Man, let me know if y'all agree, because god damn. God damn. That is so hard. There's your car.
Oh, man.
That wing is ugly, bro. That wing is ugly. Here's the new one. This one,
The one that Ricky has, right?
nice as fuck. Yeah, I really like them. Still slow, but I like them.
They're nice.
No, yeah, they're for style. They're for style, yeah. Honda Civic Type R. Ooh, I like the T's. The T's are key right there. Damn. I like them when they're all black.
That's what she said.
Double homicide was the case, ladies and gentlemen. I've never been the biggest fans, but ever since like I've seen the face of a Jaguar in the like front, if that makes any sense, I love it. I love it. Literally looks like a Jaguar. How do you do that with the car? I don't know. But if I'm not mistaken, this is that R version, that V8. It's that V8 right here. Shout out Ismail. Should have got the V8. Red guts. Yeah, this is nice. Got the little walkie-talkies, little nighttime activities. Yeah. Quad tips. Now this is where it's at. Look at that. I fuck with that heavy. White work wheels. I don't know if they're reps. I'm not that good. Clear Euro tail lights. Damn. This is so clean, man. Dragon Ball in there. Damn, we got a little fucking sim racing over here. A little Japanese pickup truck. Yo, that's kind of sick. That is kind of sick. I'm liking the Miata game. But do you know what car this is?
A Mazda?
A Mazda. Final guess? No. A Toyota? No.
A Nissan?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a R33 GTR. You know this. You know this. Come on. It just has no badges on it. Yeah. This color's nice. Professional. Yeah, ain't that true? Ooh. This wing is nasty. I used to get this car in like games and shit, and I would always put that wing on it. Always. So nice. Yeah, the only Nissan badge on it. Jeez. Clean ass IS 300. Man, it's super dark. I feel really bad for y'all. Oh, it's color tint. I like that. Color tint, I like that. Honestly, there's not that much cars here. I thought there'd be a bigger turnout. I mean, it's pretty big. I mean, y'all can see. There's a lot of freaking people here, but not too much like crazy cars. Maybe like 3 of them. Oh, whoa. It's the new one. Damn, that's hard as fuck. Should I ask for the road? It's this one. It's the one that's the newer version of the one you want. It's Ricky's. Would you be down to rev it for my video? Brand new Toyota, let's go. Thank you. So if y'all don't already have an idea, this is her favorite car that she's hopefully trying to get soon. Loud as hell out here all of a sudden. That's fire. Look, it has the wide body kit. TEs, that's nice. The carbon fiber. This color's nice. It's like a flat ice blue, green. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh, that's nice. It's like simple. It's clean.
It's like matte.
Yeah, it's matte. Yeah. That's fire. Get this better lighting for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's fire. Carbon. Clutch kicks and hot chicks. Fire. Fire. 2 door personal horns. Like I was saying. Fire. My boy brought the Corolla on the 20s, on the 21s. Beamer boys, that shit needs an exhaust, my guy. Shit definitely needs an exhaust. Sheesh. Those rims are lame as fuck. I like how the inside of the headlights has a paint match. Do you see it? Peanut butter interior. Peanut butter interior. Automatic. Hey, but we'll let it slide. Sheesh. Fire. Fire. This thing is low as hell, man. Do you fuck with the wing?
Fuck no.
No. You over here talking to NASA and shit with this antenna. IS. Nothing crazy. Just clear tail lights. The iconic 2 circles. It's a Mazda. Oh, damn. This fool got the bags out.
Oh my god.
That shit is low as hell.
One curve.
Yeah, one curve and it's over. No way. Damn. I wonder how much this was. This is probably at least like 4,000 right here. Probably 5,000 to make it look this clean. What car is this? I don't even know what car this is. Is this a Kia? It's a Kia. Oh my god. That is crazy. It's a goddamn Kia. I like that. I like that. I wish my car was like that. Damn, Kia stepped up their game, man. What the fuck? Kia doing it big.
This color is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's like a Nardo. But it's like, it's pearlescent though. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's fire. Oh, look at the little dog. Yo. It's not a dog, that's a dumpling.
Dumpling?
Alright, last row, y'all. Last row. Look, your car.
Yeah.
I like the rims. Those are nice. That's usually how Subarus come with, like, that's like a classic look. Like a Ferrari's red. Subarus are usually blue with the bronze wheels.
Really?
Yeah, that's like the classic look. Hey yo. Hey yo. Y'all ain't ready for this, bro. Look at this snail. Bro, how big is that? That is ridiculous. That's bigger than my fist. Blow off valve. Poly, yeah, fire intake. Not intake, I mean manifold. Intake manifold, of course. Damn, this is nice, man. And right next to it, give me some sneakers. This is fire. I don't know if y'all can hear me with the wind. I have the cover on it. I don't know how well it works though. Y'all see it? It's pro charged. Ooh, I did not even see that.
That must be so uncomfortable.
You want to know why though?
Why?
Because race car. Oh damn. Got an intercooler back here. Got the dead op back here. Damn. The fuel right there. That's crazy. We're getting close to the end of this memory card, but damn. There's a Gen 5 Mero. Disgusting on the welds. I know y'all see that in the back. Damn. One last car. One last car. Hopefully it's worth it. Maybe 2. I think I see a second one. But yeah, we're getting close to the end of this video. So let's just show y'all the 2 little cars that are left. One day I have to own a Camaro. That year. I forget what year that is, like 60 or 70. Fire. Fire. Oh. This is fire. Don't want to ruin a shot, so taking my time. Damn. It's a 2J or it's a 1J? I'm not that great on my JDM, but damn. Pop-ups. I think it's a 2J. Don't quote me on that though. Damn, this paint is hitting right now. It's purple. Oof. That's fire.
What's a black one?
Is it a red eye? No, it's a regular Hellcat. About as regular you can get with the Hellcat. Not a big fan of the louvers. It is what it is. Quad tip. Hold up, let me get the lighting. Let me get the lighting right. Yeah, my peoples. That's gonna be it for this video. Turnout was, you know, there's a lot of people, but not too much stuff to look at. If I capture anything else, you guys will see it after this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what car was your guys. God damn. Let me know what car was your guys' favorite. Honestly, I couldn't even say. I had like 3 or 4. That's gonna be it for today, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.